Good. Welcome team is me, the Millennial Investor 1914. By the time you see this video, I'm going to be in Panama. I'm going to be in Latin America, in Panama. Been practicing my Spanish. What else? My bags are packed. I'm ready to go. I leave Wednesday. I will end up in Panama City, Panama, around 2:30 on Wednesday. You won't see me till Monday, and then I start my new job on that following Wednesday. So we here. I'm about to get this money, but that's not what this video is about. This video is about basically the stock market has been falling. It's been on the free. It's been in the free fall. If you look at my page right now, you see my KPIs. You see my statistics. You see, one day I'm down minus 5.7%. Year to date, I'm down 18.79% compared to the S&P 500 13.42. Man, I used to be at 74,000. Now I'm all the way down to close to $60,000. Oh my God. What am I going to do? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do, guys? Should I take all my money out? It is $60,000, right? Should I take my money out and be safe? What would you do? Nah, I'm not freaking out. I've been investing for the past 7 years. Even with the COVID-19, when that dropped down, and a couple years back with that, and Obama years, and even a little bit before that. Listen, when everybody is fearful, when the fear and greed is super low, when it's bloody in the streets, guess what? When your blood is in the streets, you buy. Continue to buy. And this is what I plan on doing. Ooh, let's start. So what I'm going to do. So starting out, here is my rollover IRA. This video is to go over my plan of what I plan on doing, so that by me showing you how methodical I am in planning, I'm a planner. Plan it out. And hopefully, you watch this video, you see, and be like, you know what, Kadero Hudson, this guy, he's pumping out videos. He is motivated, and he's not going to give up, and he has a plan. And hopefully, you sit down. So with that, here's my rollover IRA. I plan on. So here. So let me focus on this. Here is my company's 401k, and I am going to take this and I'm going to dump it into my rollover IRA into this, right? And so with this $11,000, close to $12,000, this is what I plan on doing. I plan on selling KLAC, which is $1,763. I plan on selling Vertiv Holdings, which is roughly $600 to $700, and I plan on deposit $5,150. I plan on buying VGT in this portfolio. I'm planning on adding an additional $350 into Palantir, and I plan on starting a position with CrowdStrike, and I'm going to ride those out. So in addition to me having Costco, NVIDIA, Centos, I'm going to have CrowdStrike in here, and I'm going to add to my Palantir stocks, and then I'm going to ride with these stocks for the next 25, 30 years. Yeah, that's what I plan on doing. Next, my Roth array. My Roth array was once at $12,000. It has fell down all the way down to $10,000. So when I start my job on the 16th, at the end of the month, I'm going to dump $500 into my Roth array, and then I'm going to continue to go back to invest into my Roth array. Now, the meat and potatoes of why you guys are here is my dividend growth portfolio. My dividend growth portfolio was at one point in time at $74,000. I was happy. I was on the way. Then Trump and the tariffs and everything. Now I'm down upwards to $61,000. So even if it goes down Cordero, what is your plan? Here's my plan, and hopefully you guys have a plan as well. So here's my plan of what I plan on doing. I plan on taking $3,000 right here. You see, I added right here. I'm planning on. I've already sold Visa. I received $1,500 from Visa. I've already sold VGT, and I received roughly $2,700, which is going to put me at $7,325. What I plan on doing is I plan on buying $1,200 worth of Goldman Sachs, $650 worth of SCHD. I plan on starting a new position with Google of roughly $1,500, and a new position with Amazon of $1,500. And in my taxable account, I plan on contributing, starting a new position of Palantir of $1,400 and adding $950 to Meta. My What I plan on doing is moving forward to add to Palantir, add to Meta, and make sure I add to Meta, Tesla, and Palantir on a per monthly basis, regardless. And SCHD, and everything else is just add in as I fill in. But my go-to stocks that I'm going to basically just wage on my wealth for my future going to be Meta, Palantir, and Tesla, and then a sprinkle of SCHD for that dividend play. So this is what I plan on doing with this $3,000 added to these sold stocks, and for the month of May, because I'm gonna do all this in May, and then also for the month of May, I'm going to deposit $2,500, and then I plan on right here, boom, adding. I plan on adding $300 to SCHG, 150 to Nvidia, 250 into Meta, 300 to Google, 300 to Amazon, 250 into Tesla, $150 into SCHD, 350 into Palantir, 250 into Goldman Sachs, and then $200 into Fix. So for May, I'm looking to contribute a total of $5,500 of total of fresh snow, fresh capital, fresh money on top of these sold stocks. So overall, I plan on spending overall I plan on spending upwards of $9,825. 5,200 of that is going to be new capital, and that's what I plan on doing for the month of May. And hopefully, that should be able to hold me over until June, and then moving forward, June, July, August, and September, I plan on contributing $2,500 to my portfolio. So rather, if the stock market is booming and coming back up, or it's going back down, I'm going to be continuously buying 2,500 into June, 2,500 into July, same in August, and then September, and then for the rest of the year, I'm just going to do 2,000 in October, 2,000 November, 2,000 December, and in September I plan on going to the wedding of my line brother. His name is DJ. Going to Mexico. So I plan on paying for my ticket and hotel off of that. And as you said, for my strategy to continuously be buying Tesla per month, continuously be buying Palantir per month, and then continuously buying Meta. And then everything else is along the way, right? So the everything along the way is, SCHD, got the Google, got the Amazon, and then my uh, my satellite stocks. You see, my satellite stocks I have American Express, I have Aflac, I have TSM, then I have Fix, which is it's a HVAC company, and then we have Goldman Sachs, which is definitely going to give me that paper. So this is what I plan on doing. I plan on investing some pretty good change. I've already today sold VGT and JP Morgan Chase. And so I have roughly $4,200 for me to play with. And so for the month of May, I plan on hitting it with the hammer, boom, and hopefully 2, 3, 5 years from now, the stocks and me buying it at these levels, I pray that I benefit and so that my portfolio grows 25, 30%. And yeah, so make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you have any questions, concerns, if you need help. You see how my previous screen I showed you how I budget and how I break down my information, knowing what I plan on buying. That's how you stay focused and that's how you stay ahead. Stay ready so you don't have to get ready. Peace.